In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall App Store on iPhone. Now let's address a common concern. On most iPhones and iPads, you cannot actually uninstall the App Store. So if it seems to be missing, it's likely just hidden or restricted. There are a few ways to bring it back, and I'm here to guide you through each method. Let's begin with our first method. Swipe down from the middle of your home screen. This action will open up the search function on your device. You're going to type App Store into the search bar. If the App Store appears in your search results, press and hold the icon. You should see an option to add to home screen. Select that and voila, it's back where it belongs. This step is important because it often reveals apps that are simply hidden rather than deleted. Moving on to the second method, swipe left through all your home screens until you reach the app library. The app library is like a master list of all your apps, even those not currently on your home screen. Once you're there, look for the App Store. You can either scroll through or use the search box at the top. When you find the App Store icon, touch and hold it. Then drag it back to your home screen. This method ensures that you're not missing something already installed on your device. Now we'll explore the third method, which involves checking your screen time restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. From there, you'll tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This area controls a lot of what your device can and cannot do. Next, select iTunes and App Store purchases. You'll want to make sure that installing apps is set to Allow. This is crucial because restrictions can inadvertently block access to essential apps like the App Store. Each of these methods targets a different reason your App Store might be missing. By following these steps, you ensure a comprehensive approach to resolving the issue. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with these settings. They can help you troubleshoot similar problems in the future and give you more control over your device. As we wrap up, remember that these steps are designed to bring back a seemingly lost App Store. If none of these methods work, it could be a more complex issue. In such cases, contacting Apple support might be the best course of action. They can provide further assistance and ensure your device is functioning as it should. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that your App Store is now back on your home screen. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on these methods. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Have a great day and happy app exploring.